The overall goal of this procedure is to explain the steps that are taken to make segmented nanowires by an easy and reproducible method called templated electrodeposition, and to show an easy method for the detection of hydrogen gas in photocatalytic water splitting experiments. This is accomplished by first preparing the membrane that serves as a template for the deposition of nanowires with a specific shape and size. This preparation includes sputtering of a gold layer for electrical contact and a glass slide for isolation. The second step is to electrodeposit the desired materials inside the template pores, and by performing multiple deposition steps inside the same template, segmented nanowires can be made. Next, the nanowires are released from the template and transferred to the solution used for photocatalytic experiments. The final step is to prepare the setup used for photocatalytic hydrogen evolution. Ultimately, a hydrogen gas sensor in combination with UV irradiation is used to show that these nanowires are photocatalytically active and can be used for autonomous hydrogen formation.
One of the main advantages of making nanowires by templated electrodeposition is that many different compositions can be made. The process is carried out in aqueous solutions, under mild conditions, and does not require expensive equipment.
In this video we show how to make photocatalytic nanowires for hydrogen formation, but the same method can also be applied to make nanowires for photovoltaics, thermoelectrics, fuel cells and many other applications.